Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biochemistry Concepts. This video is about effect of enzyme concentration on velocity. Velocity of a reaction is proportional to enzyme concentration when sufficient substrate concentration is present. When substrate concentration is unlimited, increase in the enzyme concentration proportionately increases the velocity of reaction. So here the important thing is the substrate must be present at a concentration sufficient to ensure that all of the enzyme molecules have substrate bound to their active site. So here the overall point is when substrate concentration is unlimited, increase in the enzyme concentration increases the velocity of the reaction. In this graph you can see when enzyme concentration is increased, velocity of the reaction is also increased. So enzyme concentration is directly proportional to the velocity of the reaction. This property of enzyme is used in the diagnosis of diseases by estimating the serum enzymes. This is done by incubating known volume of serum with substrate for a fixed time. The reaction is stopped and product is estimated. Amount of product formed will be proportional to the enzyme concentration in the serum sample. For example, 1 ml of serum from a patient is incubated with 100 substrate molecules in a test tube T1. Another 1 ml of serum from normal person is incubated with 100 substrate molecules in test tube T2. Now, these two test tubes, that is test tube 1 and test tube 2, are incubated for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the sample is analyzed to find out the product formed. After estimation, the amount of product formed in T1, for example, if it is 80, and amount of product formed in T2 is 20 molecules. So here the product formed in T1 is more than T2. That indicates the amount of enzyme concentration or the amount of enzyme in T1 is more than T2. If normal value is 20 to 30, then T1 indicates the enzyme is more in the serum and it indicates some condition.